Bust the rhymes, yo. Word mother, yo. Check it out, yo. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip mode is squad in the place, yo. Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Flow like a bunch of young black millionaires.
Y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be working with Kisslove Hair. Thank you all so much at Kisslove Hair for allowing me to try out this wig that you all sent me. This is everything that came in my package, and here is the wig. I have a 13x4. I believe it's a 28 inch. It's 28 or 30 inches. I'm gonna have the correct information in the description box. But this is their HD lace, and the lace was everything, y'all. The texture, I think it's deep wave or water wave. Of course, I'm gonna have the correct information in the description box of the exact wig that I have. But I love this wig, y'all. The curl pattern was beautiful. Okay, so pretty. And the lace was the star of the show for me. My favorite part of the wig. It is their HD lace. I decided to do a combination of gluing the wig on and using bed head hard head spray, because I feel like when I use glue, the lace melts so much better than when I'm using a spray, because you know when the spray dries, it can dry your lace kind of hard. So it makes, to me, it can make your lace look a little bit noticeable depending on what kind of lace you're working with. So I just wanted to do a combination of both because I like the finish that glue gives me, but I love how easy and temporary it is to wear my wig with just using bedhead hardhead spray. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing in this video. Other than that, I have no complaints with this wig, y'all. It bleached, the knots bleach beautifully. The hair is very soft, and I love the curl pattern. I love the curls so much. I love the length. I love the fullness. The fullness is everything. And the lace. I love the lace, y'all. So if you're looking for a really good wig, a really good curly wig, and you want it with some good lace, definitely check out Kisslove Hair. I do not believe you would be disappointed. Again, thank you to Kisslove Hair for sending me out this wig. And yeah, I am out of here, y'all. I love y'all so much. Enjoy the rest of the video.
We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the rock left, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you know only the strongest survive. Holding my heat, under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. Give me it down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you up, the new shit, rocking you up, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding simple money market account. Blaze the beat, and then I would just like to announce. Feeling my groove, my jigga, making you bounce. Others is bad, me and my niggas breaking the bread. Shaking it, we got you niggas holding your head. Afraid of us, you know this ain't the game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on, this is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. We so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on. One time, y'all, throw your hands real high, y'all. Yeah, get down, y'all. Let me see you all, y'all. Bust the rhymes, flip mode, y'all. 1998, y'all. Get down, y'all. Bust the rhymes, y'all. Word mother, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip modes and squad in the place, yo. Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires. Making you run me and my done stacking my one. Floss a little invest up in the mutual fund. Flowing on a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Half the head, the phobia so immaculate. Hey yo, I take my dough, sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive oil. Little hoodie dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on. This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the wide cleft, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you're only the strongest survive. Holding my heat under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. You need it down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you up, the new shit, rocking you up, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding several money market account. Blaze the fate, and then I would just like to announce. Feeling my groove, my jigga, making you bounce. Others is bad, making my niggas breaking the bread. Shaking it, we got you niggas holding your head. Afraid of us, you know this ain't the game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on, this is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. We so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on. One time, y'all, throw your hands real high, y'all. Yeah, get down, y'all. Let me see you all, y'all. Bust the rhymes, flip mode, y'all. 1998, y'all. Get down, y'all. Bust the rhymes, y'all. Word mother, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip modes and squad in the place, yo. Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires. Making you run me and my done stacking my one. Floss a little invest up in the mutual fund. Flowing on a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Half the head, the phobia so immaculate. Hey yo, I take my dough, sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive oil. Little hoodie dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on. This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the wide cleft, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you're only the strongest survive. Holding my heat under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. You need it down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you up, the new shit, rocking you up, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding several money market account.